As industry leaders at Eufy Security, it was up to us to solve Video Doorbell's biggest limitation, the small viewing angle. The solution? The all-new Video Doorbell Dual. The first camera features 2K resolution and HDR lighting to get a perfectly clear, well-lit view. The second camera views the lower half with an adjustable angle. Together, they eliminate blind spots. It also features both radar and PIR motion detection to massively reduce false alarms. It uses a next-gen computer-grade CPU with 20 times the processing power. Inbuilt AI recognizes exactly who is at the door before they ring. It also includes internal storage, extended battery life, two-way audio, and smart assistant compatibility, all without a subscription or monthly fee. Eufy Security's Video Doorbell Dual is the start of a new era of front door security.
This is Vanessa, and this is Blink Video Doorbell. With Video Doorbell, you can answer the door no matter where you are or what you're up to.
Just leave it by the door. Thanks.
Set up wire-free with long-lasting battery life or connect to your existing doorbell wiring to also sound your in-home chime.
Grandma! You ready to go to school?
Plus, get alerts from the app whenever someone presses Video Doorbell or motion is detected. So you can do this.
Hi! Totally forgot you were coming. Thanks for walking Charlie.
Yeah, no problem.
And this.
Hi, honey. How was school?
It was great!
Video Doorbell helps deliver peace of mind anytime, anywhere.
Alexa, answer the front door.
And helps make life safer and easier.
Looks like Mom's home. Let's go help her.
Aw, thank you guys.
Blink and you're home.
Sorry, buddy, he's doing chores.
Hi, you are currently being recorded.
Really done yet?
What's so pro about the RingWire Doorbell Pro? Let's take a look. Now you can see more with our new head-to-toe video, so you'll never miss what's on your porch. Hear more with HD audio that delivers our cleanest sound yet.
Come on, Callie, we're going now. Hey, girl!
Hi, I'll be right down.
Can't make it to your phone? Quick replies have you covered.
Delivered for John.
Please leave the package outside.
And no more with bird's eye view, so you're aware if someone's there and where they've been.
Hello?
Hi, cable guy.
Nah.
You're right. I'm not.
The RingWire Doorbell Pro works with your other Ring devices and beyond for the most seamless experience out there. If someone's at the door,
Hi, can you let us in?
you can let them in.
Nope, I'm out.
If your lights sense motion, you'll know who's there. If your alarm is triggered, your doorbell starts recording automatically. And you can control it all from one convenient place, the Ring app. RingWire Doorbell Pro. It's smart security made simple.
This is the latest Nest doorbell from Google. It's wired, so it's always on, even if you're not. Listen and respond to visitors with your voice or an automated message.
Just need a moment.
Intelligent alerts let you know what's at the door. Recognize your favorite visitors with familiar faces.
Mom is at the front door.
Be there in a sec, Mom.
Look back on 3 hours of events and unlock up to 10 days of continuous video history, so you never miss a moment. The Nest doorbell from Google. We've got your door covered.